I never stop, do I? Never stop. We've got a nice little connector. We've got 3 plugs there. We've got a couple of USBs. So we'll put our tester in. And look at that. We've now got another power point. Well, another 3 power points. So as you can see here, this wire down here there's no power getting to, but we've got 240 here. We put one of them in and then just connected it in, so it worked out easier than we thought actually. We've swapped controllers over. That was the old controller, that's the new controller. So we've got a Bluetooth now, so we can see the sun's doing something and it's charging up to the battery. So if we go to active monitor, there's the van, there's the battery, because there's only one. I'm 14.62 on the battery, 14.56, which you will lose a little bit. So the solar controller is obviously doing what it's doing. Let me show you something quite clever. So here's our gas locker. I'll show you. There's the gas bottle there. So rather than having to lumber in and out with it and everything, I just pull that. Oops, look at that. And I can get both gas bottles nice and easy. And then when I finish doing what I've got to do, slide it back in. What a great idea that is. And this has been put on the Deathless Magic. Amazing, eh?
2 weeks in the sun in Italy and I come back to this. Look at it, it's all great.
Right, so here's my next one. We've got a customer's van coming. And it says the fridge is not getting cold on the gas. Back of my fridge. So what we've got, the gas goes in. That's the gas valve that opens the gas up on the fridge. The gas comes along there, goes into there, and there's the burner. When we get off, what was happening is when I lit it, the flame was really low. So what I did do is I took this pipe up and I got the airline on this pipe. That's what came out. Now that is the jet that the gas goes through, and you can see how small the hole is in there. So I cleaned all this up, cleaned all that up, put that back on, and then I lit it again, and I'm getting a really good flame now. So it was just basically through years and years of dirt and everything else. We put it to 1 kilowatt of water, 1 bar, and it tripped. So now what we've done, we've put the new controller on. So next step, we need to get rid of the hot water that was already in before. This van's had more water go through it in 3 or 4 days than Niagara Falls, you know. Come on then, tell everyone where you've been.
Italy, Sorrento.
Okay. I have ordered a nice clean new burner unit, which I'm going to put onto there. And then I've ordered one of these, so I might as well replace that at the same time. And then the customer is nicely happy. So
why you change it?
Why am I changing? I'm not changing.
Fixed it.
Because look how old it is. Look how rusty it all is. The thing is, I've got the fridge out. Okay, yeah, I've cleaned it all off, it's all working well. But what's the point when I can put something nice and new on now? I think the van's a 2013, so it's been on here for 11 years. It's done its job, and I might as well just put a new one on. 30 seconds to tell us all about Sorrento and interesting facts. Go.
The Italians are crazy drivers. I tell you, mate, I'd never drive a car in Italy. Even crossing the road is like you dice with death, mate.
Tell us about your lemons.
Lemons like that. Honestly, seriously.
Huh?
Bloody lemons that size. Because they make limoncello. It's famous for lemons around here, Balfour Coast.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anything else? What did you go see?
I went to Pompeii.
Yeah.
Yep. Tell you what, the roads there, right, 2,000 years old, they've just dug them up. They're better than the roads here.
So there's your guide to Sorrento, was it? Other problem we had. So remember the solar, there's the new solar controller in there. I screwed that back in. I did test it yesterday, so it's like its final test today, and this one can go back to the customer. And now we need to move on to something else. Food, what was your favourite food?
Oh, food. Everything, mate.
Come on, what was it?
I tell you what I had in the hotel one night. Liver and onions. We should have gone to Capri, but the sea was a bit too choppy.
Who's Gracie Fields?
Gracie Fields, she was a singer from Rochdale.
Right, don't tell us anymore. Gracie Fields, let us know in the comments what song she did. I've never heard of her. Obviously Kev has heard of her. She lived there?
She lived there, but she was from Rochdale.
I say, it would have been a Gracie Fields, wouldn't it? Yeah. So God. Oh, looks like the latest news has just arrived. Let's see what we've got. Introducing the new Hymer Ariba car, the latest in compact campervan innovations. Ooh, can't wait for this one. Lightweight and easy to park. It's perfect for spontaneous getaways. Off we go. Inside you'll find an adjustable dinette lounge and long rear bedroom that lifts up to reveal clothing storage. Additionally, rear storage space, a good sized kitchen with a 2-burner hob and a compact bathroom with a shower and a foldable sink. The open shelving adds a nice modern touch too. That's if you're into that. How about this I've got for you? Here we go. Just imagine cruising in one of the rarest motorhomes ever made, the 1928 Pierce Arrow house car. Now, it was built just before the Wall Street crash, and this luxurious vehicle features comfortable seating, a bathroom, dining area and a rear porch, all inspired by Pullman rail cars. With only three in existence, it remains a unique blend of elegance and functionality from a bygone era. I bet that's nice. And there's the news for you for this week. Checking the joints where we put the fridge back into the motorhome. There's the gas pipe. We're just making sure we've got no leaks. If we had some leaks, this would go like that. Oh, that's getting nice and cold now, so we know that's all good. Final check today, and that can go back to the customer now. They're getting a nice cold fridge. Have you seen one of these before?
The fridge freezer, yeah.
I was waiting for that. So you've got your electric, gas, battery, automatic. Yeah. There's your temperature. What's that for?
Go on, you tell me.
So you don't know?
No.
No, it says here anti-condensation. So what does that mean?
It means it stops condensation.
So I need to read up on the anti-condensation because I've not had one of them in before.
No.
And I think what it possibly does is it's a posh name for a fan at the back of it.
Yeah.
Basically, that's what I think it is.
Because on a lot of the fridges, if you take your vents off at the back, there's a little condensate cup, and you've got a plastic tube that comes off, and there's a little cup that's clipped to the pipes on the back of the fridge. And technically, the condensation goes out of your fridge, down your little channel, through a little hole that sometimes gets blocked, down a little plastic tube into that cup. Because that cup's clipped onto the pipework, which gets warm, it then evaporates it.
Okay, thank
But
you.
he didn't do it very well on one of my vans, so I had to put the tube through to outside.
Right. I'm really excited to do this feature. Is that alright for you, Emily?
Yeah, that was.
Am I alright acted excited?
Yeah, wow.
It's dead makeup time. 1 to 45, any number you want.
17?
17? Are we going?
Oh, wait.
You didn't jump, did you?
No.
The time warp won't happen.
Do it again.
3, 2, 1. Ooh, that was a rough one. You've picked another camper van. Auto Cruise a Rhythm 2013 this one is. It's a sport as well, so that means I'm going to have to do it quicker. I've got a good one again.
It's a big van, this
It
one,
is a
isn't
big
it?
van. It's got lovely bench seats, these are. 6 metres long, so it's going to get you in anywhere. We've got this on for 34, nah, that's 94,399. Some of the harder things we have to do, getting all the airs out.
Dog hairs.
Dog hairs. Not from Stevie's hairs, are they? Believe it or not, we've just actually sold this vehicle. It's not on its off, Em says. So, I'll just put sold in that one. We just randomly do this as well.
Let's go.
Oh,
1771.
oh damn. Oh, gosh.
Maybe next time.
Oh, maybe next time. There you go. We'll put the leaderboard up, see who's winning. And next week, new bed makeup.